Yo, that's a really nice deer. Thanks, dude. I got him with my 6.5 Creedmoor. Yeah, it's too bad you cheated, though. What do you mean I cheated? Yeah, I saw that corn feeder over there. You're basically farming. It's just a little, dude, and that buck didn't even come to it. He's literally still got corn stuck between his teeth. All the neighbors bait and it's perfectly legal. It's still hunting. So how's this work? You just ring the dinner bell and they come running, or what? Man, don't come at me because you can't find a buck like that. Me? No. I scout and hunt travel corridors like a real man. I'm on him. All right, take the shot. He's at 800. You think that's too far? Well, that's completely up to you, bud. Well, what do you think? Is he big enough? Hey, if you're happy with him, go ahead. No, I'm asking your opinion. I mean, he's not terrible, but he could definitely be bigger.